Hey guys, this is Vogue Diary and welcome to my extra beauty makeup ideas. Today I will show you the night out look. I want to share with you more experiences with makeup because this is a part of my life. So I will speak about the night outs in Russia and all over the world, and I will show you the way I look by the night time. Every time I do something creative, I start with a sketch. So today I was inspired by some alien girl going out into some ghetto place, I don't know. I was inspired by pink color and I matched the red and pink. I want my skin to be pink, I want my eyes to be pink, I want everything to be pink. Let's start with the base. I use Mang Prep Plus Prime. If we speak about the nightlife, the first time I was out was when I was 19. I was going to some bar and it was a mix of a bar and a rave type thing. So there were a lot of people and I was really scared. I didn't like the rave atmosphere on that time. So when we're ready with the primer, we can apply the glue. It helps to cover the eyebrows and they're just hidden with this kind of creative makeup. Sometimes I need a mirror because now I do it without any mirrors, so I will use my friend. So this doll, I got it in Berlin and it looks very cute. I love doing makeup with this mirror when I don't have any mirrors next to me. So my first parties were not that bright because I didn't like the atmosphere of rave, because I didn't drink until I was 22 and I didn't use any medical things or any drugs. So I was kind of bored because I didn't get it. I didn't get the techno music, and the first party I got into was Arma. Arma is a very famous rave event in Russia and it was a very big thing like 6-7 years ago. So the next step is going to be very creative. I just mix different colors. I take the white color from this palette, and this is a very random palette from Kriolan. This is a Russian brand which is created for theater performances and artists. And I think I will mix the MAC lip mix. This is actually for lips, but you can apply it anywhere, as MAC artists say that you can just apply the product anywhere you like and mix it with any other products. The hardest part about doing creative makeup while living in Russia is that people, they don't accept you for being very bright and very creative. So I cannot name many areas where you can go with some extra creative makeup. One of our latest favorite parties is called Raduga. This kind of event is for people with creative minds and they have different stylish outfits. The creators of this party, they started inviting some very bright people. So this kind of party is very unique and lately it's very popular in Moscow. I don't know about different, I don't know about other cities in Russia, but we don't have much, as I say. In London, I could wear anything I want. Like I can be like any color, anything. I can be even naked and people will accept me. But Russia is very different, and Russian people, they love luxury lifestyle, and when we speak about the creative lifestyle, it's never compared to a luxury lifestyle. People think that when you wear a very bright makeup that you shouldn't be accepted in a luxury society. I really want to cover most of areas on my body which will be seen with this pink color, so it will look like I'm an alien. I will add some brighter pink color to my cheekbones, so I will be more shaped. I take this sponge, this is my friend's creation, in a bud sponge, and I just blend it with sponge so my skin, it looks more natural. I will make my eyes look brighter with the Root Cosmetics palette. This palette is very cute, like it's very bright, so I will choose the brightest rosier things shade, and I will just add this shade into my eyelids, so I will just make them look brighter. There are a lot of lockdowns in Russia, but no matter what, we have a lot of parties. Like after every lockdown we have some crazy parties. Like our situation is the worst, but we have the best parties. I choose like one time in 2 months any psychedelic trance event. It looks more like a rave, it looks more like a festival rave, and the crowd is very crazy there, and I love looking so bright there. Like I can literally make this kind of makeup there and just go enjoy some psytrance music, and people there are very different. They understand this kind of makeups. They usually come to me and say, "Oh, I love your makeup, you look so cool." I feel like adding some pink shade on my nose. I don't know, like I never do this, but today I feel like it's a match. I will add some gloss into my eyelids, so I will use Mang Pro Crystal Effect. I don't suggest you to use much gloss when it comes to a long party, but if you do a creative fashion shoot. So as you see, my eyelids, they look very glam, and I love this effect. It looks very, very fancy. I used this random red pencil from Russian brand L'Etoile, and Kristen my favorite. Look at this shape, it is so glamorous. Actually, I already look very fancy, but I want to add some glitter, so I will be just mixing 2 components and I'll show you what I do. I choose Mixing Medium Base by MAC Cosmetics and fancy red glitter. It will look so shiny. So back to the clubbing and nightlife. In Russia, I would choose Mutabor. It is the biggest underground techno club for some young generation, and I really like the vibe of underground in Mutabor. I would choose any night club in London because sometimes when I go to other cities, I don't want to listen to techno and I want to listen to some hip hop, pop, something very basic. So when I go to London, I go to some very basic clubs on Piccadilly Circus. Now I want to add something shiny, more shiny. I will use the Crayola glue, and I decided that I want to mix some crystal rhinestones with their Swarovski, and they shine really bright. I will mix them with some red crystals and maybe pink crystals. I don't have a particular idea how to apply my rhinestones, but I will literally just create something very crazy. I want to make it all over my face. But your makeup should stay perfectly all night, so be sure that your cosmetics is perfect for the night out. Because in Russia, going to a club means coming back home around, I guess, 9 a.m. When we speak about Europe, people, they go out there for like few hours. I guess there is like a party until 4 a.m. I think maximum. In Russia, people know how to party hard. We can like party for days. Now I'm thinking to add some more glitter into my eyelids, so just to make them look a little bit brighter. So I will just use my MAC Plus Prime and I will just apply it to my brush. I will take this pink shade of glitter and I will apply them right here, so they will be just highlighted. I feel like a Fabergé egg in some way. So before the look is done, I will put on my wig so I can make sure that everything is perfect. And if I want to add something, I will be just applying it with my wig on. I won't be doing my hair like that, so I don't need to cover it that much with glue. But when I have a wig with lace front, like you can see literally this part, I usually apply the glue. Now I just brush my hair and I make sure everything is perfect. This look, it is not too much, but it is not enough, and I think it is perfect, like something in between. And It's shiny and it's glam, and I feel like it's sparkling. I will use my Alien by Mugler, and the taste of me, the smell of me will be very magic, like I'm an alien. I love this perfume. It is truly for me, like for my alien type of my character. So now I use my pink shade Adria Cat's lenses. Actually, this is the best brand in Russia where you can get any crazy lenses. I don't know how about Europe or other like any country. Like in Russia, the best one is Adria, and they have very cute cases. They're very different, but this is from the old collection. Sometimes it takes time, and sometimes it doesn't take time. But now I will just. I'm lucky to do it from the first time. Oh, sometimes it takes hours. Kidding. No. Sometimes I just don't want to see people, so I will wear my Valentina glasses. When I want to be more like super glam, super crazy, I will be just wearing these glasses. And the gloves, I have very nice silk long gloves. I usually wear them when I don't have nails. Sometimes I just don't wear long nails. I just want to walk down some shortage streets and have fancy drinks, because in London there are a lot of very nice pubs and bars around different areas. I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. See you guys. Bye.
We think we have solved the mystery of creation. Mystery creation.